How to make a hot air teddy balloon centerpiece. You need a 8-inch square piece of wood with a hole drilled in the middle, 3-foot dowel. Just push your dowel into the hole in the base. You need teddy bear. For the base you need 8 5-inch balloons. Then for the top cluster you need 12, either 12 or 11-inch balloons, and then about 10 5-inch balloons just to dot in the cluster. A little teddy bear and some 260s or 160s for tying. So the bottom of the base will be 4 inches. Tie the 2 balloons together. And then the next layer we'll do 3-inch, so it's just 3 pumps of the pump. The balloons for the top will be 7-inch. If you want, you can glue the dowel into the base as well. It just makes it more sturdy, especially if you pick it up, it could slide out. So the 4-inch balloons at the base, just wrap them around the pole. Push them down, and then the 3-inch above it. Down. And set your teddy on top. Tie them onto the pole with a 260 or 160. I'm using clear 160s. Just pull the knot around to the bottom so you can't see it. Oh, it's fell off. Tie his arm on at the shoulder. You could use little elastic bands or something maybe for these as well, but I'll just use 260s and 160s for everything. Again, just push the knot underneath. basically a topiary, so if you just mix this together. Just slide them through the middle so it keeps that round shape. Arrange the colours the way that you want them. So that's the topiary for the top. You can just push the topiary onto the top of the pole. I prefer to tie it on as well, just to make it secure. So again, using the 160, just tie it around the pole, push your topiary on. Change. And then tie. For your little filler balloons, just inflate the 5-inch balloons just about 2 inches. You don't want them too big. Just tie a knot and tie onto half at 160. And just twist them into the topiary. I'll just try and separate the colours under now. Customer wants a little bit of pink and blue because it's for a baby shower and they don't know what the baby's going to be, so they wanted a bit of pink and blue in it. And you can just put the little balloons around the other side as well, because it will be seen on both sides, because it will be on a table. And that's it.